If you can score at least 30 out of 50 on this English grammar quiz, your grammar skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Ready to test yourself? Let's begin. Which word is a synonym of fast? The correct answer is option B, quick. What is the plural of child? The correct answer is option C, children. What is the opposite of tall? The correct answer is option A, short. What does the idiom piece of cake mean? The correct answer is option C, very easy. Fill the blank with correct option. The correct answer is option C, on. Which word is a synonym of happy? The correct answer is option C, joyful. What is the plural of fox? The correct answer is option B, foxes. What is the opposite of cold? The correct answer is option C, hot. What does the idiom once in a blue moon mean? The correct answer is option C, rarely. Choose the correct word. The correct answer is option C, at. Which word is a synonym of angry? The correct answer is option B, furious. What is the plural of baby? The correct answer is option B, babies. What is the opposite of early? The correct answer is option C, late. What does the idiom hit the books mean? The correct answer is option B, study hard. Fill the blank with correct option. The correct answer is option A, on. Which word is a synonym of brave?
The correct answer is option C, bold. What is the plural of knife? The correct answer is option B, knives. What is the opposite of generous? The correct answer is option B, mean. What does the idiom spill the beans mean? The correct answer is option B, share a secret. Choose the word that makes the sentence correct. The correct answer is option B, for. Which word is a synonym of silent? The correct answer is option B, quiet. What is the plural of tooth? The correct answer is option B, teeth. What is the opposite of victory? The correct answer is option C, defeat. What does the idiom break the ice mean? The correct answer is option B, start a conversation. Fill the blank with correct option.
The correct answer is option B, to. Which word is a synonym of ancient? The correct answer is option C, old. What is the plural of mouse? The correct answer is option D, mice. What is the opposite of expand? The correct answer is option C, shrink. What does the idiom under the weather mean? The correct answer is option B, sick. Choose the word that makes the sentence correct. The correct answer is option C, on. Which word is a synonym of accurate? The correct answer is option B, exact. What is the plural of leaf? The correct answer is option B, leaves. What is the opposite of frequent? The correct answer is option A, rare. What does the idiom cost an arm and a leg mean? The correct answer is option B, very expensive. Choose the correct word. The correct answer is option C, in. Which word is a synonym of meticulous? The correct answer is option B, detailed. What is the plural of criterion? The correct answer is option C, criteria. What is the opposite of transparent? The correct answer is option C, opaque. What does the idiom burn the midnight oil mean? The correct answer is option B, study late. Choose the correct word. The correct answer is option A, of. Which word is a synonym of ambiguous? The correct answer is option B, confusing. What is the plural of analysis? The correct answer is option D, analyses. What is the opposite of optimistic? The correct answer is option C, pessimistic. What does the idiom bite the bullet mean? The correct answer is option B, face difficulty. Fill the blank with correct option. The correct answer is option A, to. Which word is a synonym of obsolete? The correct answer is option C, outdated. What is the plural of phenomenon? The correct answer is option B, phenomena. What is the opposite of lenient? The correct answer is option C, strict. What does the idiom "the ball is in your court" mean? The correct answer is option B, your decision. Choose the correct word.
The correct answer is option C, into.
Out of 50 English grammar quiz questions, how many did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English quiz videos.